They put a cardboard tube here for reassurance, so it doesn't get bent. All the corners are wrapped really well protected. So everything is bubble wrap except this middle piece here, but that's fine. There's a lot of support. And they tape it on too. It's really nice and secure. You know, give the extra support where it doesn't get bent. So far packaging is really nice. So here's the Fender. Everything seems really nice. There is an imperfection here, right there. But yeah, overall it's really nice. Right here as well. Another imperfection right there. I would like to see them, you know, paint it a little bit inside the fender a little bit for rust protection. Like especially down here, I wish they would paint on the inside here. Little imperfection here as well. Paint chip, they probably didn't prep it. Gee. The Fender is made in Taiwan. Yeah, overall it's really nice. I'll match it up to the door. Here's the door. And yeah, the Fender, you know, the paint matches really well, as you can see. Unlike the bumper, I think this is a perfect match, the Fender. I can't tell the difference. But with the bumper is a little bit brighter. I might message them about it. There are a lot of orange peel, I noticed. Yep, right here. I know it's really hard to get rid of orange peel, but you know, it would be nice if, you know, there's none. As you can see in like a lot of OEM, you can't really see them, where it's really noticeable on aftermarket parts. Right here, these orange peel, you can see like the reflection of the trees. But it's nice too. Okay, Uli. Here's how the Fender look, mounted up, test fitting, and fits really nice. Everything lines up fine. But then, you know, further inspection, I'm not too happy about the clear coat. It's not shiny enough. You can see it from right here from the door. You can see like the clear shift. It's not that noticeable from 10 feet away. Right here. But then, you know, I'm not satisfied with it. I might contact them. It does look decent. but then it's not that good. You see how the lights hits the fender and everything kind of like smears out? It's not a good quality clear coat. Here's a OEM. See how the lights hits that? It's really smooth and symmetric. Here's another glance. Oh. Where everything is really dull. So here's the fender. Seems to match really well, but then, you know, it's more darker. I'm not too satisfied with it. I did contact them, and you know, we did, you know, sort things out. You can see right here, you know, there's some orange peel. The clear is not that good. You can tell that one side is shinier than the other. The door is smoother. Right here. And when you get to the fender, it's really dull, the clear coat. I give it a 7 out of 10. I wouldn't buy it, you know, for a car that I'm going to keep for a long time. It's more of a temporary. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching, you know, please do consider subscribing.